What is up, Pyros? We're back with Raccoon Fireworks. 16 shot Black Angel. That eye is freaky, bright, vibrant, blue. But again, 500 gram cake, 16 shots, Black Angel. Our performance is AC Blue and Purple and Blood Red Dahlia, Gold Glittering Tail, Gold Titanium Willow. So we're looking at here from Raccoon Fireworks, the Black Angel. I'm guessing the blue is basically based off, kind of the eye and how it is. Black Angel, I'm guessing, means it's pretty freaking scary. But anyways, I love me some Willow. So let's see how this Titanium Willow holds up. Coming out of the 16-shot Black Angel, again, Raccoon Fireworks. And let's see what we got. You guys decide. Thumbs up or is it thumbs down? More likely from Raccoon to thumbs up. Let's go.
Oh, I like that.
It's pretty color.
That's a nice color too.
Wow.